Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to send pictures from your Samsung phone to your email in 2025. Whether you're backing up memories, sharing photos with friends, or just organizing your files, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Samsung phone handy and an email app set up, like Gmail or Outlook. It's 2025, so your phone might have some cool AI features, but we'll keep this straightforward. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung phone and open the Gallery or Photos app. This is where all your pictures are stored. Scroll through and find the photos you want to send. For example, let's say you have some vacation snaps. Tap and hold on a photo to select it, or tap multiple ones if you need to send more than one. Next, once your photos are selected, look for the share icon. It's usually a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tap that, and you'll see a menu of options. Scroll down and select Email or your email app. If you don't see it, make sure your email app is installed and updated. Now, this will open a new email draft with your photos attached. Enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject like "Check out these pics," and maybe a quick message in the body. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Nobody wants to send photos to the wrong person. Finally, hit the send button, and you're done. Your pictures will be on their way. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Pro tip: if you're sending large files, compress them first in the Gallery app to save time and data. There you have it. Sending pictures from your Samsung phone to email is easier than ever in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.